Welcome back to the Fox Shop, and yes, I'm wearing glasses. The reason for that is we've been out in the field. This bean dust seems to get to me more and more every year, and I wear contacts usually. I think I got something under my contact which scratched my eye and has been hurting. This eye over here has been hurting really bad, so I've been wearing glasses the last couple of days, and I think the pups want outside. All right, go get them. But anyway, today I'm going to show you a little something with Purple Power. I love that product. It's cheap, it works really well, and so I'm going to show you what I'm doing. This shop has been down here. I built this. It's going on 10 years, I think now, but this, well, the whole shop's getting kind of dirty, but this door over here has been looking really bad. I think a lot of it has to do with running these guys. Well, there's only one now. I sold the other one, but these diesel heaters down here putting out fumes and starting up cars and stuff, or trucks, whatever, down here with the door closed, which you probably shouldn't do. And living on a gravel road, just get a lot of crud and grime on these doors, and I was like, I want to clean it up down here. It's getting kind of out of hand. So I started spraying these panels up here with Purple Power. You can get this is really cheap. I got this stuff at Dollar General. If you have one of those near you, I'm sure Walmart has it too. A bottle like this is $3, and then you can get a gallon jug of it for $5 and refill your bottle many times. And I'll show you what I've been doing. All I've been doing is on these top 3 panels, I'll spray them down, I'll let them sit for a while, and then rub them down, wipe them off with shop towels. I got that one sprayed right now, and well, let's wipe it off and see how it turns out. Also, if you follow my channel, you know I have another channel called the Fox Shop BBQ, the Fox Shop Barbecue. We may change the name on that. Just put a new logo up on that my daughter kind of created. And Jody, my girlfriend, we're gonna get cooking on the old Blackstone here. Been doing a lot of cooking on this. Love this thing. I don't think I've used my grill all summer. I use this thing. But there's also gonna be some other cooking. I do smoking out on the smoker, and we're making our first video tomorrow up in the house. Actually, it's something that she wants to make and just get introduced to the channel, and then she may do some on her own since I'm going to be out in the field. Not out in the field right now. I'm actually using my old camera right now. I just got a new SD card. Just want to make sure everything works so that she can use a new camera. I think I may actually be getting another camera here before too long, but she can use a newer camera. I'll use this when I'm out in the field. But we got rained out. We got almost 2 inches of rain, like 1.84 inches of rain or something like that. We got a lot of beans out, soybeans out. If you follow my channel, you know we farm as well. And we got this field to do across the road. There's another one, you can't see it, but there's a paved road up there, and there's a field there, and then another field, like a 40-acre patch, about a mile down the road that way, and then several miles over that way we have a couple pretty good-sized fields that we need to do, and I think that's it. But yields have been pretty good. But anyway, what we're doing on this here video, if you're tuning in to see how Purple Power works, I also need to clean off the outside of this door. Everything's just dirty. I live on a gravel road, and Mama Kitty, you're not getting in there right now. Back off. But just trying to get things looking a little better down here. I got, that light's about burnt out. She's flashing. That light did burn out, and usually I have the door open, so I moved that light over there. I need to get some more light bulbs. These LED light bulbs do not last as long as they say they do. But yeah, it just needs a little, she needs cleaned up down here. I've been lacking on that. This last year has just been rough. For me anyway, and I'm sure for a lot of people, you know, there's been a lot of stuff going on, and it's been a hard time, but got a new girlfriend, getting things straightened up here. We're gonna start making videos together. And what that was, I know I need to shave too. I look like crap, but that's the way it goes. So anyhow, I'm gonna set the tripod up here and I'll show you how I'm doing this. I love Purple Power. It's cheap. It works really, really well for cleaning things. I use it all the time. Whenever I clean down here, that's what I use. It cuts grease, it cuts dirt, it just wipes everything off. I use it on the air compressor, the refrigerator, up on my toolbox, and just everything. I know I got a lot of water bottles and stuff down here too, but let me get the tripod set up and I'll show you what I'm doing. So really not a hard process. I have the bottle turned around, but I'm using Purple Power here. I spray this down, and like I said, this door has been here for, I think it's close to 10 years, never been cleaned off. Just trying to make things look a little better down here. So I sprayed it and let it soak. I don't know if it's still wet or it's not even still wet. So we'll spray it again. Just kind of light. And you can see there's dirt and grime and all kinds of crud coming off of there. First thing I do is I just wipe it down. Go through a lot of shop towels doing this. I'm using 2 at a time. I gotta get a couple more. Where are they? They're down here. Okay. So we'll wipe that first layer off. I think Jesse wants in. Then I'll take it, gets like that, flip it, just fold it over itself. It's not too bad. Two more new ones. Finish wiping this down. And didn't get it all off, so I'm gonna spray more Purple Power on this. Just kind of a light mist. Let that sit for a little bit and we'll wipe that off. Well, the dogs went out again. Come on, go out. 1, 2, there goes Buddy. Abby's not down here. She's up with my daughter still, but you can tell there's quite a bit of a difference here on the door. Probably gonna do that side tomorrow. My back is just killing me. I think I may go down to urgent care tomorrow and see if I can get something, because I can't have my back hurting like this when we're out in the field doing harvest. Jody is insisting that I go to a doctor tomorrow, get something. Can't find my heating pad, but Purple Power, I love this stuff. It really does clean up. It cleans things up really, really well, really fast. Do the other side of that tomorrow and work on the rest of the shop. I use that over here on the old air compressor too. She's getting kind of dirty. The whole shop's getting kind of dirty. Gonna go up to the house. Jody's up in the house. We're just having burgers and fries. She's gonna. We have the Blackstone 17-inch electric griddle up there in the house, and boy, it looks like it could rain again. It was sprinkling earlier, but anyway, that's what we're having tonight. We're just gonna have burgers and fries and go to bed. I am tired, I hurt, and probably go to the doctor tomorrow. Maybe go to Walmart or somewhere and Can't find my heating pads, so probably gonna get a new one of those. I don't think we're gonna be in the field tomorrow. I'll make a video on what's going on with the Bronco here shortly. Let you know what's up with that. Jess, what do you think? I know you don't like the camera. Okay, I don't know why, but anyhow, that's what's going on here at the Fox shop tonight. And you may not say, well, tomorrow's Sunday. Hopefully gonna post this up tomorrow. But trying to test out the old camera here, see if it still works like it should. I think it is. So anyhow, guys, gonna get to work on this. Probably gonna put the green truck back over in the old shop where she's been before in the wintertime and get working on that. So anyway, guys, just wanted to put something out there for you. And if you like this video, please give it a big old thumbs up. Comments go down below. Subscribe if you haven't already. Hit that little notification bell so you always know when I put up a video. And we'll catch you next time.